Hi everybody, welcome to our new video. We would like to take this chance to thank you for being with us and supporting us all the time. Please, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and if you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the comment box below. Today we're going to see how the new Facebook work and also how to switch from new Facebook and to old Facebook. They created a new Facebook, but I think maybe on your profile you haven't been notified, so they haven't approved it. That's why I can see it, and they just send specific people to test and also to give them feedback. Once they approve, then maybe you can see it on your side. You might be lucky, and what we're gonna do, you're gonna see it on your side. But if you don't see it on your side, wait for them to send you the notification. Sometimes they might not send you the notification because they are dealing with billions of people, so they might, if people like it, they might approve it. You're gonna just see yourself like you switched onto the new Facebook. Okay, let's bump into it. Now we're using the old Facebook, whereby you can see your groups are here. When you click here, you can see, and also if you can go to shortcuts here, you can see a list of them. The new Facebook took this and they put it up here, and also they gave you a dark mode. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna click here and say switch to new Facebook. Now we switched on to the new Facebook. You can see what I told you is like the groups are not down, they are now up, pages are up, marketplace is here, and then they can say, you can see your name here. So you can click down here, you can see a lot of things here, and these groups, they were up but now they are down. So click here down, you can see more, then they say see less. So here you can click here and go to what they call dark mode. If you click on dark mode, you can see that it's a little bit different, and it's in a dark mode. It looks beautiful anyway, but also you have to scroll around and you scroll down, up and down, to see how things are. You can click on your groups here and see how they work. Click on discover. This is what we have in discover. The thing has to join a group. Let's try to join one group here. We see, click here, click the request, and it asks me some questions. I'm gonna say yes. Or discuss will be not allowed, expected. No, okay, yes. Agree to their terms and conditions here and say hope all cost funds will work together. Yes, I agree with that. Then I'm saying yes. Then let me see up if I missed something. I don't think so. Then I submit. So click here, you see a lot of things here, and receive your answer will be notified. Request to join, approve. Okay, that's simple. So you can click on your feeds. These are the feeds. Scroll down and see the feeds, how they look like, and yeah, okay, that's simple and cool. Then you can click back here and you can see your privacy here, feedback, help us. So they ask you here to give them some feedback on the, so you can click here and write your feedback. Select, maybe talk about groups, events, friending, whatever you want to. Then you do what, you type in whatever they want. If you feel like you have some comments, you put them there, then you send to Facebook. After that, you can click on each and every link you want to click on. Also, you can go back to help support. Let me click on help support and see what's gonna go on. Let me say help community. Okay, click there. So here you can see they say what means to. Okay, these are just things which we had also, but also a couple of things they changed here. I believe they changed the look much. They focused on the look of their program, their system. Go to help still, we can see support inbox. Okay, Okay, they give us a chance here to no message yet. No, they haven't sent us anything here. So I think if they send a message, you get it here. Safety center, bullying prevention hub, safety check, see our community standards. Okay, English, Afrikaans, whatever. So you can choose languages there. So here, let me see. Of all notifications, let's go back home. Let's see. No, I wanna go back home. Help center. Let me see. Go back home. Let me go facebook.com. I think I'm lost now. Yes, I'm back here. So if I wanna go back to dark mode, what I'll do, I'll click here and switch off dark mode. I've switched off dark mode. So I'm back here on my home page. You can see how it looks like. See marketplace. Click on marketplace and see what's going on in here. And you can see they changed the positioning, and also they changed. Let's click on one item, maybe this, to sell this shoe. We sell it 1,000 rands. Okay, let me see if I want to message this person, say interested. Okay, then you send a message. Let's see, it's gonna still sending message. Let's see. Yes, the message is gone. Then you're gonna get your pop-up here whereby the message is saying maybe you can start now communicating to the seller. And we can go back. We've seen the marketplace. We can see pages here. Click on pages. Yeah, a couple of pages here you can like. You can like this page. Okay, nothing changes here. If I click on like pages, liked pages, liked, let me see how many pages I've liked. Only one. Invitations, there's no. Okay, a lot of things there. Let's go back home, and also let's click on videos and see what we have here. Okay, okay, we have a lot of videos here. So this is the video hub. Let me click here and so that we can see everything clearly. And this is your marketplace. These are your groups here, and here, yeah, there are a couple of groups. You can join groups if you want from there. This, okay, gaming. Look at this bar, how it's designed, and here, then we're gonna go back home. We're gonna go back to the old one, then you analyze what's going on there. So they give you a chance to switch to classic Facebook. You saw that bar is not here. Remember, that bar is not here, and also these things are here instead of being here. Okay guys, if there's something, I think the program is so big, I don't think we can cover it in this video because of time. And I would like to thank you, and you can see now what you're expecting to see in the near future, what Facebook they are trying to build. Let me go back before we close our video here. I want to go back to, they give you a chance to switch on and back, but remember, not every account is given this privilege to be testing the new Facebook. I don't think they are given the privilege to do that. Guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. If we have made some mistakes, forgive us, and also you can correct us in the comment box below. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.